Everybody. So, some changes recently on the visa bulletin have made some great impact. And there's kind of a positive and a negative in it, and I'm going to explain it to you really quickly. So, what happened in the April visa bulletin is that USCIS changed the final action date for EB2 from India by moving it forward 5 months. If you look at the filing dates, it remained exactly the same. And I want you to know why that is, so you might have a little bit of hope for the coming months. The reason that happened is because immigration has had a massive backlog when they moved the filing dates forward and received a ton of applications. They've also got backlog from just being bad at managing their staff and managing their filings. I think that happened under the Trump administration. And they've got backlogs because of other things that we've talked about in some of our videos, like printing of work permits and printing of green cards has all gone remarkably into long lines and long wait lists. So what happened here is they moved the final action date forward by 5 months. And that means that a lot more people are going to be eligible for the green card now who have already filed. Now, if they get rid of the actual interview, which we have seen happen on a case-by-case basis, it means that more people will be just getting their green cards in the mail without an interview. And by moving the final action date forward by 5 months, they've gone and eclipsed thousands of more people who they can simply move quickly through the process by either vetting them through a biometric process and checking their status and then approving their case, or if necessary, putting them through an interview, which would mean an in-person interview at an office. The filing dates have stayed the same, but what I think is going to happen is immigration is going to catch up. We're going to see a competent president, which we have now, actually install people who can make things happen, manage their caseload, assign proper management, and get things done. And I think that by the end of this year, which is October of the federal calendar, we're going to see things start moving again in a very positive way, and we're going to see things getting done. So this is good news for EB2 from India, and there is a little bit of a downside that we don't see the filing dates moving forward, and some people are running out of time on that, and I understand. But at this point, this is a great step forward for anybody in the EB2 India category, and it's a great step forward for immigration's management of their caseload, which is what we really want to see back to a normal process. All right, guys, hope that helped. Take care.